want to show you this ball joint press kit from OEM Tools. It's specifically their ball joint press with four-wheel drive ball joint service set number 37089. Comes in this bright green blow molded case, which has been very secure for me. I used this to do a drive shaft on a car recently, and this worked great. You know, if you know how to use a ball joint kit, it's very easy to work with. It comes in this case that holds everything nicely, so it's not taking up a whole bunch of space in your toolbox. And it comes with a bunch of different adapters, so no matter what you're working on, you can probably make it work. It's got all these little parts, which are very essential to working on different size ball joints or universal joints. It's got all these 3 different sleeves as well. And if you don't know what you're doing with one of these kits, there's the instructions right there with all the parts to show you how to do it. And for the price, this has worked great for me. There are high-end types out there that you're just going to spend a lot more money on, and they will do the exact same thing. OEM Tools does have a lifetime warranty on these, so if you break something, send it back to them and they'll send you a new one. Very stout kit, good blow mold box, and let's get a measurement on that real quick. You're at about 16 by 10 on the kit. Highly recommend it. Well done. Has worked great for me.